Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Karla. Thank you so much for stopping by today. Today's video is going to be a deep cleaning, spring cleaning, decluttering video. I went ahead and started at the back of the house. I like to call the back of the house where the kids' bedrooms are. That's where the bathroom is, well, their bathroom, linen closet, the door to the attic, the hallway. I call that the back side of the house. So I went ahead and started on this day. This was a Saturday, and I worked all morning into the evening. I was cleaning baseboards, cleaning windows. I got rid of some clothes that the kids don't wear. Some of the clothes I have to wait for my stepkids to get back so they can actually try them on to make sure, double check that those items do not fit them anymore or they don't want them anymore. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. It is packed with lots of motivation. I worked really hard this day. I actually took like a 2-hour break. I had gone to Home Depot with my husband. We had lunch. We picked up a few things. Then I came back home and I went straight to cleaning, and I worked up until, I want to say maybe it was 9 p.m. I believe, because we did also take a break to eat dinner. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this, and I hope you get all the motivation you need. Also, the main push to go ahead and do this spring cleaning now was because everyone in the house has been sick. So I was sick a few weekends ago. I took my son to the doctor the day before that. And then my husband is sick now. Then my stepkids were sick. So the whole house has come down or came down with some sort of something. So I wanted to go ahead and also sanitize. So I did a lot of Lysoling, Clorox wipes, doorknobs, and things like that. So that kind of helped with, at least for me, to motivate myself to go ahead and just tackle a spring cleaning as far as the windows and the baseboards and doors and things like that are concerned. One good tip for y'all, like I did in the beginning of the video, I opened up the windows, and that was just because since the whole house has been sick, I wanted to get out any nasty funk that has been left behind lingering just out of here. That also let in some fresh air because it was really pretty this day, and it wasn't cold, it wasn't hot, it was just perfect. So I love opening up windows and just letting all that air in. I feel like the room felt so much better afterwards.
We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up all our friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else. We came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody's attention, yeah, we just wanna dance on our own. We came to party all night long, and sing along to every song. We don't need nobody's attention, don't need nobody else in our zone.
Okay, in their closet, I did not do very much just because I'm going to wait for them to get back to us next week, and that way we can pick a day and just kind of go through all their clothes and make sure that all they have in this closet and in their drawers is things that fit them. I can kind of look through my stepdaughter and I can kind of tell. With my stepson, it's a little difficult for me, so I'm going to wait for them to get back and kind of try on a few things. And then here, you guys, this dresser was a disaster. Here I'm telling my husband that she has all these books in here that are literally for kindergartners, and she's a 3rd grader, so we got rid of those. And then right here, I just actually got back from going to Home Depot with my husband. And then I started to work on this. While I was at Home Depot, I was just thinking, what can I do to store? Because she likes to call it her special drawers, where she keeps all these little knickknacks, you guys. And some of those things, honestly, my husband and I were looking through them, and they can actually be trash. They're nothing special. She just likes to keep everything. So I kind of left her with a few things, and the top 2 drawers are pretty much her special drawers that she likes to call, and then the rest have like her PJs and her socks and her shorts and her pants and things like that. As you can see, I am closing the windows. That is only because our neighbor had a burn pile going, and I started to smell it, and it was getting into the room, and I did not want the bedroom to smell smoky, so I went ahead and closed the windows. You guys, the LA's Totally Awesome cleaner from the Dollar Tree, it is amazing. So I was wiping down this wall and I noticed this scuff. It has been here since we moved in. So I took a magic eraser and sprayed some of that spray, and oh my gosh, you guys, it came off so easily. I was super excited. I went ahead and cleaned the whole entire door, because all around the door had little black scuffs, not too much, but just here and there you can tell that I think it was when we were moving. I'm not even sure, but this stuff worked great. If you use that and a magic eraser, awesome, you guys. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I used it throughout the whole entire video on the baseboards, on doors. This thing worked great.
If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light.
Here I am washing my stepkids' clothes. You will not see me put them in the dryer just because my son went ahead and, like you see, he doesn't have any sheets on his bed because he came in here while I was cleaning their room, and he went ahead and removed his sheets, and then he went ahead and put his clothes in the wash. So in order to do that, he had to take out their clothes, put them in the dryer, and then put his clothes in. So that was really helpful. But we did get their clothes washed, and those clothes are sitting on their bed, so when they come back they can go ahead and put them up.
And you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too you dry. Do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile? Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along, and I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever.
As you can see, the linen closet was perfectly fine. I didn't have to do anything to it. It was still organized from the time I organized it a few months back. So now I'm just showing you that I just have to do this floor, the baseboards, and see how all these little scuffs on the doors. I don't know how they get there, but I'm telling you, the magic eraser and the LA Totally Awesome works amazing, you guys.
Just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever.
Alright guys, at this point of the evening, I was already tired. I had taken off my earrings. I took down my little headband. I was ready to go to bed, but I got everything done. I am super excited because I woke up the next morning and I just love the way that the back, I call it the back of the house, but it's really, their rooms are facing the front of the house, but we come in through our backside. So for me, and the way our layout is, I feel like it's the back of the house. But anyways, it is super clean. It looks amazing. I love it. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope it gave you all the motivation you need to tackle a space in your home. And you guys, I will see you in my next one. And for the next one, I will definitely be tackling my bedroom and our bathroom. It definitely needs a deep cleaning.